Now we're going to be talking about letters. Okay, we're going to do just what we've done in the previous lesson, but with letters. Now, why? Well, you'll really understand what we're doing once you do things with letters, okay? Now, it's just the same as numbers. Whether it's letters, numbers, apples, pears, it doesn't matter, because these techniques here, in our bag right here, there's our bag of 4 weapons: addition, division, multiplication, subtraction. You can apply them to anything, okay? And we're going to use them with letters, and I'm going to show you how, okay? So, what do we have? We've got x plus a equals b. Now, you might have seen this in the form of something like x plus 7 equals 10, okay? Same thing, but now instead of 7, it's an a. Instead of 10, it's a b. Doesn't matter, okay? So, what do we do? Well, we want to find x, first of all. You know, we might want to find a next time, but today we'll find x. Okay, so x plus a equals b. Well, let's take away a. We've got x plus a. What's annoying our x? It's this a. Okay, what's the opposite of adding a? It's subtracting a. Boom. Let's use one of our weapons, subtract. What do? We subtract a from both sides. So I'm going to have to write it on the right. I have to write it on the left. Boom. That's fair. We've done it to both sides. And what do I get? Well, look. Look here. Look right there. X plus a minus a. That's just 0. You know? Add a pair, minus a pair. 0 pairs. Okay? So I get x equals, and on the right, b minus a. I can't do b minus a. I don't know what b is, but I don't care. I don't know what a is, but I've found x in terms of b's and a's. That's all I can do right now. And that's it. That's what I wanted you to do. So x equals b minus a. You've done it, okay? With letters. See, simple. Just the same. So let's have a look at another one. Okay, what if I gave you 3... No. What if I gave you ax equal to b? Okay, so I've got a times x, that's what it means, a times x, equals b. Alright, which technique do we do? What are you thinking? We're going to divide by a, okay? Hope you were saying that. Good. We divide both sides by a. Why do we do that? Well, we've got to do the opposite. At the moment, it's x times by a, okay? So we've got to divide by a. If we divide by a, we've got to do it to both sides like this, okay? All of a sudden, on the left, you've got a times x divided by a. Well, these a's are just going to cancel. A divided by a is 1, just like anything divided by itself is 1. So I'm going to get x on the left, and on the right, b divided by a. That's it. I'm just going to leave it like that. I can't do that. B divided by a. Boom. This really helps you see what's happening. So here, what we've done, we've divided both sides by a. Okay? Okay, cool. Let's have a look at another one. What about if I had, let's go for d, let's go for x, minus d equals, pick a letter, z. Man, we've got the same letter. Okay, so let's have a look. Where's it gone? Boom, there it is. Sorry about that. There we go. X minus d equals z. All right. We've got our 4 tools. Which one is used in this case? Well, we want to get rid of this d. How do we do that? What's the opposite of taking away d? Adding both sides by d. So I'm going to add both sides by d, and I'm going to get x equals, because this d is going to cancel, because it's going to be minus d plus d. And on the right hand side, I'm going to get z plus d, because I've got to do plus d to both sides. Yeah? So x equals z plus d. Boom. Solved. You found x. Okay? What if what if now I was like, from this equation here, find me d. Oh, I don't want x anymore, I want to find d. Okay, well, I've got x equals z plus d. Well, what do I want to get rid of? Well, it's this z. This z is what's annoying me. It's on the d side, okay? I want d on its own. That's my number one mission. So let's get rid of that z. Well, what's the opposite here? How do I cancel that z? Remember, this is like a plus z. That's what, we don't write the plus after the equals, but this is like saying equals positive z. So it's positive, plus z. What's the opposite of adding z? It's taking away z. So I need to subtract both sides by z. I'm going to write minus z, tick, and minus z here. Okay? All of a sudden, these z's here are going to cancel. I've got plus z minus z. That's why I did it. Okay? That's why I took away z. So I'm going to get x minus z equals d. And you just found what d is. D is x minus z. Very good. Okay, let's have a look at one more. Okay, let's have this. So let's go for, what if I had x over m equals n? Right. What do I do? All right, let's find x first of all. Let me tell you what we want to find. X. What's annoying us? First thing you want to think of is, what's annoying me? This m is annoying me. Nothing else, just the m. As soon as the m's gone, I've got x on its own. Okay, how do I get rid of that? Okay, what is the m doing to the x? Or what is the x doing to the m? So we're doing x divide by m. So we're dividing by m. So you want to think, okay, what's the opposite of that? Timesing by m. So let's times by m, both sides. Okay, now I'm going to skip. I'm not going to start writing this times by m on both sides. I'm just going to jump straight to x over m times m. I'm going to jump straight to cancelling these out. I'm going to say x equals. I'm going to say n times m. I think you get now that I'm going to be timesing things both sides. And we're going to be left with x equals n times m, which I can write as nm, by the way, together. When it's in letters, I can bunch them all together. Good. Okay, right. So here's your first little glimpse of doing algebra with letters now. Okay, we've taken all the numbers away. If you can do algebras with letters, you've practically done it for every single number, okay? Which is why I'm showing you this. And it will help you really understand what's happening here. Right, cool. See you in the next video.